Hi, my name is Nicholas Liskowski, and I'm the owner here at Volunteer Flooring and Design. Our job's here to serve you with all of your floor covering needs, from LVP, laminate, hardwood, tile, carpet, cabinets, and even countertops. Quality is the most important thing to us here at Volunteer Flooring and Design. With that in mind, we always ensure that we're giving you the best price possible. We're always looking for ways to be innovative on price so that we can help anybody with any budget. We work with Mohawk, Dreamweaver, Dixie Home, TrueCore, and some of the biggest names in the flooring industry. We sell the products and we do the installation. Majority of our products carry a lifetime warranty, and many of them are even transferable. We want to ensure that you're happy with what you chose. We understand that this is a huge investment, and we're here to help you protect that investment. We help anybody from homeowners to renters, flippers, real estate agents, general contractors, and even builders. Your floors are our obsession, and your convenience is our priority. Reach out to us today so we can help you on your next project.